how to import a Mogrt file in Premiere Pro. Go to the Windows tab and click on Graphic Templates. The Graphic Templates window will appear, and make sure you're in the My Templates tab and click on the Install Motion Graphics Template button. The import window will appear and browse to where the Mogrt file is on your computer. Select it and then press Open. Your Mogrt file will appear in the Graphic Templates window, and if you don't see it, you can go to the search bar here and type in the name of your Mogrt file. Select the Mogrt file and drag and drop the Mogrt file into the timeline. You will be able to make changes to your Mogrt file by selecting the Mogrt in your timeline. Then go to the Properties panel, and if you don't see the Properties panel, go to the Window tab and go to Properties. You will be able to make the changes and adjustments here. When working with Mogrt files, you may get a red line above the timeline. All you have to do is press the Return key on a Mac or the Enter key on a Windows computer to render your timeline. If you want to delete a Mogrt file, right-click on it and press Delete. And this is how you import Mogrt in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.